Process cabinet assembly illustrates the processing of a SolidWorks sheet metal cabinet CAD model assembly, including manufacturability testing to identify any potential fabrication errors or issues. This includes the automated preparation of information for manufacturing and the shop floor with the following automated steps. Automated assembly processing automates the processing of SolidWorks CAD model assemblies to prepare each of the sheet metal components ready for production. Automated sheet metal batch unfolding automates the unfolding and generation of DXF flat files for small to large batches of SolidWorks sheet metal parts, including the automated incorporation of extended data to drive automated CAM program generation. Automated CAD part analysis illustrates the importation and analysis of complete CAD part parameters to drive automated routing generation, manufacturability testing, sales, quote, and CAM program generation. Automated routing generation provides the capability to generate optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters, including automated machine tool selection based on matching CAD and machine tool parameters. Automated manufacturability testing includes advanced design for manufacturing capabilities to identify potential sheet metal fabrication errors before parts leave engineering. Automated bill of materials generation generates a complete manufacturing bill of materials based on CAD part parameters, and the automated generation of optimal routing steps, including tooling,